The verb to be is used in various forms across different tenses and subjects. Here's a breakdown of its use with examples for each tense. Simple past.
Form.
Was, were.
Simple past describes past states or situations. Tense. Simple past, I was. I was tired yesterday.
I was tired yesterday.
Simple past, you were. You were here last week.
You were here last week.
Simple past, we were. We were students last year.
We were students last year.
Simple past, they were. They were at the party.
They were at the party.
Simple past, he was. He was a doctor before.
He was a doctor before.
Simple past, she was. She was happy with her results.
She was happy with her results.
Simple past, it was. It was a sunny day.
It was a sunny day.
Simple present.
Form.
Am, is, are.
Simple present describes current states or facts. Simple present, I am. I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Simple present, you are. You are happy.
You are happy.
Simple present, we are. We are excited.
We are excited.
Simple present, they are. They are friends.
They are friends.
Simple present, he is. He is a student.
He is a student.
Simple present, she is. She is a beautiful girl.
She is a beautiful girl.
Simple present, it is. It is very cold outside.
It is very cold outside.
Simple future.
Form.
Will be.
Simple future describes future states or intentions. Simple future, I will be. I will be there tomorrow.
I will be there tomorrow.
Simple future, you will be. You will be successful.
You will be successful.
Simple future, we will be. We will be ready by 5 p.m.
We will be ready by 5 p.m.
Simple future, they will be. They will be here soon.
They will be here soon.
Simple future, he will be. He will be happy to see you.
He will be happy to see you.
Simple future, she will be. She will be a great leader.
She will be a great leader.
Simple future, it will be. It will be ready by tomorrow.
It will be ready by tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.